Welcome to this edition. This is demo video part 8 of our database system. So in this demo video part 8, we'll be discussing about the expenditure, how we generate our expenditure per month and per day, per week, and per year. So this is expenditure overview for 2023 and 24. The reason why we include 23 is because we have December record here. So that's why we include 23. But actually it's meant for 24. The entire database is 24, 2024. So let's dive straight into it. Click on January. And when you click on January, this is 1 month record for expenditure. Digital Innovation and Print Incorporated Tracking Expense Worksheet. So this is the data sheet for our January 2024 expenditure records. So the expenditure is divided into parts. The first part here we have monthly expense fixed, meaning our fixed expenditure per month, meaning the amount that we obligated to pay every month. The same data, it can change, is our fixed expenditure. So our fixed expenditure here would be this: the mortgage, which is rent; household, which is warehouse and whatever; and auto payment, which is like sin tax or whatever; car insurance, life insurance; and if we have even another 2 or 3, we can include it here. So these would be the fixed expenditure. And here is our money expenditure for the 30 days or 31 days. So for our expenditure here, we have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9. So every day, whatever expenditure we make, we can include it here. If we make expenditure here for tax, giving, or whatever, we can include it here. Let's say second day, whatever expenditure we make, we can include it here, whatever. So this is from 1 to the 9th day. So if we come on here again, we will see the same list of items, just continuing the 10, the 11, the 12, 18 to 18, all the way to the 31st. So as you can see, the 28, 29, 30, and 31. So these are the expenditure per days and per week. So this is the fixed expenditure. Whatever expenditure we made here per month, we put it right here as our fixed expenditure. Then per day, whatever expenditure we made, we just include it right here. We are not touching this. So for the 9 days, the total will be right here. And the other days, the total will be right here. So for instance, if day 1, we spend 500 LD, we come here. So day 2, we spend 400, we come there. Day 3, we spend $100, and day 4, we spend $30. Day 5, we spend $45. Day 6, we spend $59. Day 7, we spend $90. Day 8, we spend $100, and day 9, we spend $49. So each amount that we spend will come here and we give the subtotal right here. So after the whole one here, the whole chart here is completed, the whole fix is completed, the subtotal will come right here. So each part have their own subtotal. So for the third part, which is the fixed expenditure, we have subtotal for all our fixed expenditure, which is 500. So now in our first fix, from the first day to the 9th day, each column have their own sub expenditure or subtotal. Then this whole group here, we have general subtotal. Then in this other group again, we have another subtotal. And here we have another subtotal. And for the last before this we have another subtutorial, then we have